everyone, and welcome to how to solve the Rubik's Cube. This video, I'm just going to tell you, this video might have to have a part 2. And it might go a little fast. Like, I might be like teaching the steps a little too fast. And so, yeah. Let's get into how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna start off by mixing this up. And you can do that too if yours is already solved. Just saying, this is the beginner's method. If you would like to see a more complicated method, I can teach that. There. I think this is mixed up enough. No, I'm not going to be doing one of those instant solves, but I will tell you the first step you need to do. The first step you need to do is called the white cross, but I do it orange with the orange. So you have to get orange, 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 and orange. There. But it's not that simple. There will also be, so since you have to put an orange piece here, it has to be orange and yellow right here. So yellow can't be up here and orange can't be here. It sounds simple. It might sound confusing, but it's actually quite simple. So I learned how to do it with the orange, so I'm gonna do it with the orange. I'll teach you with the orange. Okay, so I have to find the centerpiece, and so I need so the first centerpiece I'll find is yellow. So yellow, the piece I'm looking for has to have yellow and orange on it, which is right here, and the yellow is right here. So all I have to do is just turn it down, then I can just move the front one up, and there we got our first piece like that. And now we're gonna get green and orange, which is already right here. So I'm just gonna move it up. And this is surprisingly easy to do. I didn't get too hard of it as one to do. And now I'm gonna go over orange and white, which is right here. So I'm just gonna pull it down like that. Pull this one under here. Pull this one back up, and then pull it over again, and this one twice. Now there's just one more. Orange and blue, and it's right here, so I could just turn it up like this, but since you have not learned the harder version for that yet, I'll teach you. So if you're looking for the orange and blue, it's right here, and then you can twist it up, but the blue is here and the orange is here, so it's in the wrong order. That I wanted it to be like that, but you actually don't want it to be like this, but here is how you solve that. You just pull this one like this, push this one over, and then just pull it like that. And then if you just twist the middle one, they all are like all these ones are the same. And now I'll go to the next step. Now, since I got these ones solved, I have to get the corner one solved. These ones are not less complicated. They're not as hard. But you have to get the right colors. So right here is the white centerpiece and the green centerpiece. And then the orange is right here. So you're gonna have to get one piece with three colors that are green, white, and orange. And I'll look for that, and that is right here. Green, white, and orange. That's it. And so I need to get this piece right here. All you need to do is pull down the front one, and push this one over, and then there. It's right there. And you can see these two look more connected. Now I'm gonna look for the green, yellow, and orange, which is right here, but they're in the wrong order, so I'm just gonna pull this one down, pull this one over, like that, and then it's gonna pull this one here, so it's right there, like this is where it is, this is where it has to be. Then you have to pull this one down, and put it there, and there. Now the next color I need to get is white, blue, and orange, which is right here. So and this is where I need to get, and this is where it is. So I'm just gonna turn this one, so it's right there, and I need to get there. And you just pull this one down, and then you pull this one over, and then there. You just have to pull that one up. And now, look at all these ones look like solved. There's still one more left, and you almost have the first side solved. This is one of the first steps you need to learn to solve it, but it's not solved yet. So this next one is yellow, blue, and orange, and that is right here. So I'm gonna turn it there, so it's under. So the orange is right there, and that's where I need to get it. But it's under, so if I just put it like that, it would not be right, because the orange has to be there, yellow has to be there, and blue has to be here. So then, since it's like that, I'm just gonna pull this one over like that, this one over here like that, like that. Now, you should have, what that did was kept this, the orange side solved, and it solved the first layer, and then it solved with the centerpiece is still in order. Now, what you need to do is you need to solve the second layer, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna look on the bottom. The bottom color is red, and then you're gonna look for one of these one color on here that does not have red on it. So green and yellow does not have red on it. So I'm gonna put that under it so I have a green T. And then this is gonna be your first algorithm you're gonna need to learn, which if you don't know what an algorithm is, it's like the certain type of moves you need to do to solve it. And that algorithm, I'll put it on the bottom so you can see. But so you have to get this piece here, and to do that you have to do this. You move this that way, this down, this that way with it, pull this one up, this one under it, so it's right there. Then you pull the front one over, and then so it's right there. Then you put it over, like that. And what this did was it put the color we were trying to get right here, because it has yellow and blue, and now they're more connected. Now I'm going to look on the bottom again. There is a green and white. I'll put that under the green, so it makes a green T. But now we're going to do, and that since we want over here, not over here, we're going to do the opposite algorithm. So push this over, this down, this over, this up, this over, this down, this over, like that. And now it's right there. And now we're going to look down here, and there's a yellow and green, so we're going to put it right there. And we're going to do the same algorithm that we just did, which is this down, this over, up, this up, this over, this down, that there, and then pull it up. And now you got almost the whole second layer solved, except for this one piece. This one piece is blue and white, and it's which is the piece we need to be here, but the white needs to be over here and the blue needs to be over here. So what you can do with that is what I usually do is I just do the algorithm with any piece under, just like how we've been doing it, and then it should be on the bottom now. So I'm gonna get the white here, and since I need to put it over here, I'm gonna do the same algorithm I've been doing the last 3 times, like there, down, there, up, back, front, and so it's like that, and there. And what you did with that is that now the whole second layer is solved. If it's not solved, then just replay it to make sure you get it solved. So now that you have the first and second layer solved, you should go up here and there should be the red centerpiece. You're gonna solve the top side. Originally, so you're gonna have to do this one extra time, but I got to skip that step because I have it like this. If there's just one square in the middle, do it, and then you'll get this. But when it has just a circle, you're gonna turn it like this so that it's just like in the middle. Now, this is what you're gonna do. And like that, and then this one goes down, and there. Now, you still have them solved, but it changed it up here. Now you have a reverse L shape. Well, there's other ones, but this is what, if you have this, there could be like a red piece here. It doesn't matter. But since I have the red L, I'm going to do that move once again. There, and back, and then like this, like that, like this, and then like that. And now, you have, you should have the red cross, but I gotta skip a step because I have this one here. But I will tell you, if you have one here, if you have this right here, so if you have like just without this piece here, you're gonna look around here, and if you see like one with the red there and the red there, turn the red and red away from you, and then do this algorithm that I'm about to teach you. But same thing with them. If they have a red piece here, you're gonna turn it so this red piece is over there and this red piece is over here, and you're gonna do this algorithm. But this is for if you don't have to do either of those, like you just pass that. And so this is what you do. You can push this up, this over, this down, this like this up, this like that, and like that. So that you have 2 of these solved, and it doesn't matter if these 2 are not solved, you'll just have to do this algorithm an extra time. I'm going to show you for that one if you get other versions. So one version is you have, so these ones are solved, but then you have red corner pieces right there. To fix this, all you're gonna need to do is just do what you did. For the other one. So, like this, move the top one, move this one down, top one, move this one up, then turn this one twice, then move this one down. And now there's no corner pieces that are red. But I found these 2, and like I told you, these, if you have this and you have these 2, you have to turn these 2 away from you and then do this again. Up, move this one up, move this one that way, move this one down, move this one that way, move this one up, and then move this one that twice, and there. Now you'll have that one, and then you can just do the same thing like that. And you have the top one solved. I think I'm going to have to make a part 2 video for this. It'll be coming out really soon. So just stay in touch for that video. Bye.